Happy Friday. I'm sorry I'm unable to be with you today. You are pretty well equipped to solve these two-step equations today, with one exception. I haven't covered division of the variable. Part of that is because, as strong as the algebra tiles are to show distributive property, it's difficult to use them when dividing a variable. So, for example, if you have, let's say, 3/4 r minus 2 equals 6. So if these were tiles, you'd have two red unit tiles on this side here representing the -2, and over on the other side you'd have +6 yellow tiles. And on your equation mat, to move them to the other side, you'd have to flip them. So then you're adding 2 yellow tiles here, and these go away. So this is all well and great. You now have 3/4 r equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I can't show you 3/4 of an r tile or an x tile, because I can't take my tile and cut it into pieces. It's an unknown amount to begin with. So what we have to do then at this point is think I'm multiplying r times 3 and I'm dividing by 4. So in order to undo that, I have to multiply by 4 and divide by 3. And I have to do that to both sides. Okay? So now r is equal to, well, what is 8 times 4? 8 times 4 is 32, and divided by 3, right? This is equal to 32, 32 over 3. Let's do one more. So let's take, we'll just say w for the x tile, and divide it by 0.5. Even though it's the same as writing 1/2 w, you get the gist. And then is equal to 12. Okay, so there's no little unit tiles I need to move to the other side. So now at this point, if w is being divided by 0.5, how do I undo divided by? Well, I undo it by saying multiplied by. So I'm going to multiply this side by 0.5 and multiply this side by 0.5. These two cancel, and now I get w equals 12 times 0.5. Well, what's 12 times 1/2? 6. Okay? If you're unsure, just try it. If you can't figure it out, move on to a new problem, and we'll keep working on it together when I get back on Monday, okay? All right. Bye-bye.